Fyddwn ni dechrau off yn Gaernarfon.
Rhys Miles Thomas, fi yw reolwr digidol Cyfle. Beth ni'n trial wneud yw dod â rai o greuon y byd digidol yn Celfyddydau i Gaernarfon, i Ogledd Cymru, i ddangos i Gymru beth y posibiliadau o digidol, ond hefyd beth ni fel Cymru gallu dysgu o gwers i symud ymlaen i'r dyfodol.
People's pay for content.
Mae gen Rhys yn reolwr digidol ni weledigaeth. A'r weledigaeth honno ydy bod y dylai Cymru fod ar flaen y gad yn digidol ac yn gelfyddydol.
Dwi'n cael lot fawr o'r cyfnod heddiw yma. Lot fawr y syniadau sydd wedi esblygu prosiectau ar gyfer y bobl ifanc sydd eisiau chwilio am bethau tu hwnt i theatr arferol, isa lawr pobl yn edrych ar y un peth. Wedi'n sbarduno fi feddwl am ddod o pethau fwy digidol i fewn i beth ni'n gwneud yn gwersi ni yma yn Sparc.
Mae gen i syniadau mynd o yma, na i'n beth nhw, neu fydd pawb yn gwybod yn beth.
Dyna ni wedi dod i ben y diwrnod Creu carloesi yng Gaernarfon. I ni yng Nghymru, i ni gallu fod ar flaen y gad, i ni gallu arwen. Yn lle dilyn, i ni gallu arwen. A'r gobeith yw bod y diwrnod yma wedi dechrau sbarduno'r syniadau na, wedi dechrau wneud i bobl feddwl bod nhw'n gallu wneud e hefyd, ond wedyn ni bod nhw'n gallu wneud rhywbeth newydd, rhywbeth gret, rhywbeth sy'n mynd i roi ni wir ar y llwyfan yn Ewrop yn y byd. Wedyn nath ni nawr i Aberystwyth. A dyma ni yng Nghaerdydd nawr i orffen y daith.
Today I've been invited by Cyfle to take part in a one-day hackathon, a story hackathon. So we've been put into teams to create a 5-minute experience or a story for a panel.
What's important about today is they understand the power of story. They understand that how a strong core theme for the story, a strong message, is the thing that will actually help them create a robust story world. So they'll have a story where they understand who their audience are and how they can create fun around this very strong message and core theme of storytelling.
Yeah, we've been working pretty much throughout the day on ideas, and kind of at the beginning we were given a presentation from Alison Norrington about how the story is important, and that's what the focus should be predominantly, and then from there we have to decide how to tell that story and on what platform. So we've kind of decided to tell the story basically through a kind of call to arms video, which will kind of start the campaign, and then the rest of the interaction with the participants will take place on different platforms like Twitter and Facebook, so it becomes a shareable thing.
It went great, yeah. I think we had a good reaction from the crowd. It was a bit of a comic piece and people laughed, so the audience reacted well. They got the jokes, they seen the funny side of the story, which we were hoping, and it was quite important for the comedy piece. It was a great day altogether, and it was great to work with some new people and work together in a team and produce something in such a short period of time.
Wel, dyna ni. Dyna diwedd y daith. It's the end of the journey. Da ni wedi bod ar draws Cymru gyfan yn edrych ar digidol ar Celfyddydau. We've been right across Wales looking at digital in the arts. A mae wedi bod yn llwyddiant ysgubol. It's been a great success. Fi wedi blino'n llwyr. I'm very, very tired. And I need a drink. Ond diolch yn fawr I bawb. Thank you very much, and I hope you come to the next one. A gobeithio dewch chi i'r un nesaf. Mae fe wedi bod yn hwyl ysgubol. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Diolch.